No greater need for the horticulture industry and the hard-working people growing our food supply is access to reliable, high-quality water. In Mexico, agriculture is responsible for 77% of the total water withdrawn, where 38% of countrywide withdrawal is from groundwater aquifers, many of which are overexploited and located where annual rainfall is insufficient to replace extraction. The growers at this facility had a challenge. Their irrigation water was far too high in salinity to allow the growth of tomato seedlings in-house. Consequently, they were purchasing seedlings from a third party. Producing an improved, optimal feed water quality to grow seedlings in-house, removing the middleman from the process, became their paramount objective. Sodium tolerances vary between different crops, and the ability to target a specific sodium level was of high importance to the grower. Water scarcity is causing increased salinity variability as well as increasing water prices, both of which are unfavourable for crop growers. Voltea's CapDI technology is a revolutionary way to treat water sources for agriculture and horticulture applications. From greenhouses to vast farmland, CapDI is the environmentally responsible choice for tunable deionization for your sensitive crops. The robust, reliable water treatment systems offered by Voltea incorporate fully automated self-cleaning with dynamic control, ensuring the water produced is of consistent high quality, adjusting to varying concentrations of feed constituents. Perhaps the most dynamic feature of CapDI is its tunability component, allowing operators to select the optimum iron removal rate for each of their crops.
Después de introducir CapDI a la empresa, pues bajó el concentrado de sodio, ¿no? El concentrado era el contenido de sodio y con ello pues tener una calidad mayor en el agua.
From tomatoes and peppers to berries and other hydroponics, each crop has a specific sensitivity to certain minerals and salinity levels. By automatically accounting for any variations, CapDI gives a consistent output quality, making it the ultimate solution for water desalination in the horticulture industry. CapDI tunably removes sodium and bicarbonates without having to remove all of the more beneficial minerals in the grower's irrigation water. Voltea's IS-12 CapDI system consistently produces the quality and quantity of water required to meet our customers' demands. By implementing a tunable TDS removal solution, they saved on overhead by reducing the use of fertilizers and allowing water reuse on site. This greenhouse operator now successfully grows their own seedlings without having to purchase from a third party, thus increasing profitability. 85% water recovery is maintained by Voltea's cleaning in place features that automatically clean if the CapDI system measures a rise in differential pressure.
La mejor parte es que se aprovecha mejor el agua. El equipo ocupa muy poco espacio y es muy pues compacto, pues que no da problemas como otros equipos que se le tienen que agregar pues otros químicos para poder hacer el bajo consumo de sodio y pues no tiene que estar un operativo pues todo el tiempo ahí checándolo y agregando ciertos químicos.
Salt-free, chemical-free CapDI also avoids polluting aquifers and requires no additional permitting for any discharge. Voltea's CapDI technology is the cornerstone of sustainable water treatment and reuse.